Title: How to Use AI to Create a Blog. A Step-by-Step Guide. Introduction. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to use AI to create a blog. Whether you're a blogger or content creator, AI can help you generate content quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose a blogging platform. The first step is to choose a blogging platform. There are many options available, such as WordPress, Blogger, Wix, and Squarespace. Choose the one that best suits your needs and create an account. Step 2. Determine your blog's focus. Next, determine the focus of your blog. This could be a specific topic, niche, or industry. This will help guide the content you create using AI. Step 3. Use AI tools to generate content. Now it's time to use AI tools to generate content. There are several AI tools available to help you with this. Some popular options include GPT-3, Copy.ai, and Articulo. GPT-3 is a language model developed by OpenAI that can be used to generate high-quality text. You can use GPT-3 to create blog posts, product descriptions, and more. Copy.ai is an AI-powered tool that can generate headlines, blog post outlines, and even full blog posts. Articulo uses AI to generate unique articles based on your topic and keywords. Step 4. Edit and refine your content. While AI-generated content can be a great starting point, it's important to edit and refine the content to ensure it's high quality and accurate. You can use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to help with editing. Step 5. Publish your blog. Once you're happy with your content, it's time to publish your blog post. Be sure to promote it on social media and other channels to drive traffic to your blog. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on how to use AI to create a blog. Remember to use AI ethically and responsibly, and always ensure that the content generated by AI is accurate and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.